a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to a Texan Shaves. We have a spotlight review on a brand new one from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Kind of new. It's been around. It's been around for a while. There's some history with this one. It was in last year's advent calendar, and that is Cucumber Fumbler. And man, that is a shiny, hollow label. Let me tell you, look at that. And of course, I do have the matching splash to go with it, and I really like the label. That is a funny, fun label. All right, a little bit about it. Finally, a truly lost PAA classic has found its way home and just in time for summer. Now, this sales blurb, I am just reading snippets. This sales blurb is huge, guys, and it's a good read. Check it out when it's finally posted on the website. Scent profile is a crisp, garden-fresh cucumber opens the experience with cool, watery green notes that immediately evoke the first slice of a freshly picked cucumber on a warm summer afternoon. Excuse me. Beneath that refreshing brightness lies a soft vegetal sweetness, reminiscent of sprawling backyard gardens, dew on broad green leaves, and vines heavy with fruit. Subtle aquatic nuances lend an airy spa-like cleanliness without drifting into synthetic territory, while delicate green undertones keep the fragrance firmly rooted in nature. The result is a calming, cooling, and quietly invigorating, simple at first breath, yet surprisingly nostalgic, like opening the gate to a summer you've almost forgotten. Cucumber, who knew? Today it's known as Cucumber Fumbler, but back in 2012, we're going way back now, guys. However, it carried much less imaginative name. It was just Cucumber. No mystery there, huh? This was one of Fran's earliest original creations, both during the wild frontier days of artisan wet shaving, born during the wild frontier days of artisan wet shaving, when just about everyone was trying to figure out what this little hobby could become. At the time, Cucumber was unlike anything else on the market, clean, cool, green, comforting, and immediately attracted a loyal following, which made its disappearance all the more frustrating. Contrary to popular belief, it wasn't discontinued because it lacked fans, quite the opposite. Certain ingredients simply became impossible to source consistently, and rather than compromise the scent, we reluctantly let it fade into legend. So, Cucumber Fumbler, there's an origin story about it. I'm going to talk about, or sort of, that was part of the origin story, but there's a little bit more I'm going to talk about later in the video. Oh man, it smells so good. I have had one shave with it so far. I've actually had this one for a little over a week now and really enjoyed it. For the hardware, I am using the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements glow-in-the-dark Moon Striker. Y'all know I absolutely love this brush with the Snickle Synth knot. And for the razor, I am using Kojak Razor's Benton. I've used this once before in a video, and I'm using it again. This will actually be my first face shave with this. I've only done head shaves with it so far. So let's get the brush loaded. And I am looking forward to this. I have a little over 24 hours growth, I believe. Maybe a little more. The last video I did, the shave was so good, I couldn't shave yesterday. Let's get this loaded. Beautiful. Oh, that's perfect. Plenty. And, oh, already filling the room. Such a fresh summer scent. Really love it. I remember I was thinking back in the calendar when I used it that it's very similar in feel. How I feel when I smell this to Overholt shave, which I love. All right, let's get the glasses off and the face wet. And I did mention after I used this for the first time to Douglas, I still forgot to add, there is no water in this. I'm surprised I'm getting any out. I mentioned to Douglas that, you know, obvious mashups, cucumber and lime, right? And then I thought, has there ever been a triple mashup? What about cucumber, lime, and Overholt shave? And I'm going to have to try that myself. But feel free to use those, Douglas. I can see mixing this one, mashing up this one with a lot of different things, honestly. This one will make fun mashups, in my opinion. Let's get some water. Excellent. Excellent lather, as always with CK6. I've never been disappointed. A little bit more. Perfect. Perfect. Ah, it smells so good. And here we go. Man, I really like this one. Cucumber Fumbler. Oh, it's man, it's every bit the way it's described in the sales blurb, honestly. I don't know if I could describe it any better myself. When I was reading it for the first time, I was like, that is exactly how I would describe it, how I feel when I use it. It takes me to those places. Wonderful. So there is an interesting little second part to the story, which I'm going to read here as soon as I finish this pass. That I'm kind of excited about. If it happens. All right. So to continue on, I need my glasses on because this is small print because it's a lot to fit on one page. All right. So the origin story of Cucumber Fumbler wouldn't be complete without mentioning its strange little cousin. As I mentioned earlier, this was originally one of Fran's creations. Naturally, once I got my hands on it, this is Douglas speaking, could be Cube, I guess, I couldn't leave well enough alone. I thought, cucumber already feels cool. What if I cranked up that cooling sensation to 11 with a healthy dose of menthol? Brilliant, right? Not exactly. After the soap cured, I eagerly gave it a sniff. Pickles. Not cucumber, not refreshing cucumber, but aggressively, unmistakably full-blown, in-your-face pickle. I laughed out loud, labeled the experiment batch gherkin, and quietly tucked it away on a shelf. Back then, we were still a tiny artisan shop. Launching a pickle-scented shaving soap seemed to be the kind of decision that could end a business before lunch. What's lunch without a pickle, though? Fast forward to summer 2026. Pickle-flavored everything is suddenly a thing. Pickle chips, pickle popcorn, pickle soda. I even found a Whole Foods pickle juice kombucha. And yes, I bought it and actually enjoyed it. So don't be surprised if gherkin eventually escapes the vault, guys. Until then, welcome back to the scent that started it all. Cucumber Fumbler, a refreshing, cooling burst of never-ending summer. So that's the part I'm kind of excited about as well. I think I would enjoy a pickle soap. Now, do I want to go around all day smelling like it? Probably not, but it would be fun. Like a lot of the other holiday ones would be fun. I even enjoyed Yule ham, guys, so there's that. All right, let's go for a second pass. Oh, beautiful lather. I could still add more water to this with this pass. All right. And across. Really enjoying this razor. Wonderful. Beautiful. Man, don't you just love it when a shave comes together like this? Fragrance, the slickness, the razor, the brush, everything. That I'm having that moment right now. This is a wonderful shave. Get a little water on this. Wonderful. Oh, perfect. And final pass, guys. Then we get to the magic, the splash. And I'll be honest with you, I have not used the splash yet. I did a head shave with it, and I had another video planned right behind it. So I held off on the splash because I didn't want the fragrances to clash. So I am looking forward to it. Perfect. I don't know exactly when this is going to release. As usual, just know it's this weekend. Alright. So either Friday or Saturday usually. Alright, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Alright. Oh. Outstanding. Oh, that was great. Oh, super smooth. PBS. Alright. Try to get myself beautiful again. There we go, as best I can. And time for that. The magic. Alright, let's prime this up. There we go. Oh. Oh, it's so good. You know, to me, there's not much difference between what's in the soap and what's in the splash. Maybe during the dry down, I might get something different, of course, than what's in the soap, but a lot of times, like I've said, fragrances hide in soap, or the soap hides parts of the fragrance where the splash gives you the full story. I'm getting a lot of the exact same story between this, and that does happen every now and then, just depending on the fragrance that's in there. But oh, it is so good. Such a good, fresh summertime fragrance. And there is, well, you know what, let me take that back. There is more in this. I mean, the cucumber is like the main first thing you get in that soap, and I'm getting a bit more than just the cucumber off the top and off the beginning. It's not as pronounced, but it's there. It's the star, but it's being supported by a lot of other things. Oh, that is delicious. All right, guys. That's it. So, Cucumber Fumbler from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements will be releasing this weekend. Check it out. I do have a link in the description. It is an affiliate link if you feel so inclined to use it. And, man, first 50 get a holo. Look at that beautiful holo. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.